positive in our village. So like we've got together, approached like with the sarpanch and the other panch members and all the villagers. We've like got together and approached all the shops to open their shops like from 7 to 7 in the evening. Most of the shops have been cooperative, but there are some who are asking what is your power, like what rights do you have to come and tell us to stop at so and so time, wherein we, being a panchayat member or being like the in villages which are interested in the goodwill of the community, we have no powers given to us. As a panchayat member, we would want to do something good. We want to be the front warriors for our village, but there are no powers given to us. We have nothing that is given to us in writing. It's just that the government is using us. They are sending us the details of all those people who are traveling and coming back to the villages. So what is it that you all expect from us? Just to make sure that they are staying in their home quarantine, they are doing that? Or is it that you really want us to work for our community? Yes, we want to work for our community. So give us those powers, give us that something in writing wherein we can approach people and do something for our village and do something for our state as well. So it's not that we want to sit and do nothing. We as responsible citizens want to do something for our village. So give us those powers. Let us do something for our village. You are saying the cops are doing, the health center, the doctors, police, everybody is doing. Yeah, so make us also a part of it. Let us also do something for our community, for our state, for our country. We want to do something. So give us those powers to do something for our community.
What is the situation in Lotuli right now? How many cases?
Lotuli right now we have got 6 positive cases. They are already taken into isolation, and there are testing which has taken place, and we are expecting some more results today by 1:32 in the afternoon. So accordingly, if there are more cases, we really need to seriously look into it and get things sorted out. We don't want it to spread like how it is spreading in other states. So we want to cut down the numbers. So I want the government to help us to do something for our people, not just keep a track of who's staying in home quarantine, who's not staying. Because the stamps, whatever you'll put for home quarantine, are just lasting for maybe 3 days and then they are out. And we as Panch members cannot be standing, in one place and monitoring them all the time. We also have our families, we also have our lives to move on. So you give us the powers, we promise that we will do something really concrete for our community over here.
Yeah. Okay, good afternoon. I'm just come here to speak about Lothalam village. A couple of days back, we had some positive cases. People rectified it, and it was confirmed. And then we, as the Panch and the active members of this village, we had taken a few initiative steps. The steps were 4 points, and we did it such a way that we went to each and every shops and informed them and shared about the safety of this village so that we don't cause more trouble and get people into trouble. So what we did is that these 4 points we consider to them is, first thing is that use sanitizers in every shop, okay, and not to keep inside but to keep it outside, so that people, when their turn comes to buy something, in social distancing, when the time comes, they sanitize and they get the products. And the third thing was the timings. The timings was 7 to 7. And the most important thing was social distancing, not crowding. And timing we had patented because if we give a short timing, the people would gather more, and there would be no proper line and queue, because everyone would be in panic. So time was put for that, and social distancing and hand sanitizing, the most important thing. And using face mask was must. If you don't use the face mask, the shopkeepers were told not to give or not to entertain the people over there in the shop. It was strictly told to them. And these days it was happening, and it was good to see, the everything was maintained and everything. But though doing that was not important, the people who are quarantined were still moving around, and people have even informed them not to move about, not to come out of the houses since you're into quarantine. Because what happens, the people who are infected, definitely, the others will be infected. So why not keep the fire in the triangle and to get it out of the triangle? So my simple thinking saying is that, and thinking about all these, having a thought, is we need to quarantine, and if the person is told to be quarantined, should be inside, because it is for the betterment of
All.
the whole people of village, and so that things don't contaminate over here.
So your good name?
My name is Sebastian Fernandez. Thank you.
Lothal.
Yeah, Lutherland.